Welcome to Play. Enjoy learning anytime, anywhere. I am Jacob, and I'm your math instructor for today. In today's lesson, I will teach you about sets, its notion, and the methods used to describe sets. A set is a well-defined collection of objects, whether real or imagined. The objects inside the set are called elements. Let us put it this way. Imagine any collection of objects, say fruits. When we say well-defined, you should be able to classify an object as to whether it is an element of that set or not, without any ambiguity nor vagueness. Now, any set can be empty, meaning the set has no element. It can also be finite, meaning it has countable elements. And lastly, it can also be infinite, meaning it has infinitely many elements. For example, the collection of all vowels in the English alphabet. And so we know that the elements of this collection will only be A, E, I, O, and U. And the rest of the letters in the English alphabet will not be in the collection. And so this collection is a set. Another example is the collection of all students of college algebra that can breathe underwater. It may seem weird, but we can still define whether a student can breathe underwater or not. And so this collection is still a set, however, it is empty. Now, every set can be defined using the one we used earlier called the roster method. We just enumerate the elements of the set inside a pair of braces. So for the set containing all vowels, we put A equals the set containing A, E, I, O, and U. Here's the tip. This method is convenient to use if the elements of the set are finitely many, or in other words, countable. On the contrary, if the set has infinitely many elements, then it is more convenient to use what we call rule method, where we use the set builder notation. For example, read it as the set of all x such that x is a vowel letter in the English alphabet. Or in general, we may use any variable in replacement to x, like A or B or C, followed by the description of the elements of the set. Again, if you use the roster method, it will be A equals the set containing A, E, I, O, and U. And if you use the rule method, it will be A equals the set of x such that x is a vowel letter in the English alphabet. Thank you so much for listening. If this lesson was helpful, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.